Netflix uses AI to predict what you want to binge watch. Slack uses AI to automate your workday. Canva's AI-powered design tools help them rake in billions. What do these companies have in common? They've all nailed the power of integrating AI in their software. If you haven't, you're losing out big time. How would integrating AI into your existing or new software help you? Supercharge productivity. AI automates the grunt work, freeing your team to focus on innovation. Companies are seeing up to 55% faster development and slashing costs. Personalized user magic. AI learns what your users want before they even know it. It's like having a mind-reading app that keeps everyone hooked. Rock-solid reliability. AI catches bugs, optimizes code, and ensures your software runs flawlessly. Fewer errors, happier users, it's a win-win. Data-driven decisions. Forget guesswork. AI delivers real-time insights so you can make smarter choices and stay ahead of the curve. What more can it do? Read more about it in the blog, link in caption. How can you tap into it? First of all, know your needs. Where can AI make the biggest difference in your workflow? Second one is, start small, think big. Launch a pilot project, see the results, then scale it up. And last but not least, never stop learning. AI is constantly evolving, so keep refining your approach. You have a lot to lose if you don't act right away. AI isn't just a tech fad, it's your key to unlocking your software's full potential and scale. Don't get left behind. An experienced tech partner like Excellent Webworld can assist you with it. Partner with us to integrate AI into your project and future-proof your business.